Hi everyone, welcome to Artistic Pours and More with Jeannie Marie. Today what I'm doing is sharing a package in the mail that I got from Tammy Time. I'm going to put her link below. She had an auction a little while back and I got a painting that actually Brittany got for me. So her link will be down in the description as well. So I'm gonna, she looks like she boxed it pretty good too. Nice, and I covered her address up. And let's see what we got. I like the out here. She's got little stickers over here, and I love Jesus. And she's got this pretty bag. Oh, how cute. This is easy. There we go. Oh, I see Christmas wrap too. Alright, so those are pretty. Number 35 on her YouTube channel, and she's got her signature on there and the date that she did it. Oh my gosh, and it's as pretty as I expected it to be. It's beautiful. Tammy, it's so pretty. Look how pretty that one is. Let me see. Maybe I don't have all the lights on. Maybe this will help. How's that? That is so pretty. You can pick whichever way you want to hang it. But I want to show you every which way. It's so pretty. Got the pretty white and red and green and blue. Some nice cells going on. A little texture. It's very colorful and I love it. It's very pretty, Tammy. Thank you so very much. And thank you, Brittany, for the gift. I appreciate it. I truly do. But I wanted to share this beautiful piece of art that I received from Tammy's auction from Tammy Time. And here we are. Gorgeous piece. Let's see. I just love the way this is shiny and colorful. So gorgeous. So pretty. So thank everybody. I appreciate you joining me. And God bless. Be safe and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye now.